Hello everyone, myself Aviksha. I am here to present the seminar topic about communication patterns. Before we are going to communication patterns, we should know about what is patterns. What is patterns? A design patterns are the solutions for the common problem that has been occur in the software designs. It represents an idea, not a particular implementation. The pattern shows the relationship and interaction between classes or object. By using design patterns, you can make your code more flexible, reusable, and maintainable. There are three categories of patterns: architectural patterns, design patterns, IDMs. Architectural patterns. They are considered as the highest scale of patterns, providing a template for concrete software architecture. Design patterns. Design patterns are medium scale patterns, smaller in size compared to architectural pattern. IDMs. IDMs are language specific low level patterns, addressing both design and implementation details. What makes a pattern? A pattern can be described by using three ways: context, problem, solution. Context. Description of situation in which the problem arises. Problem. General description of the design issues that need to be solved by the pattern and the driving forces or factors behind these issues. Solution. The solutions consist of two aspects: a static aspects and a dynamic aspects. A static aspect that describes the structural components involved. A dynamic aspect that describes their runtime behavior. Properties of patterns. Provides common vocabulary, understanding for design principles. Patterns help to build complex and heterogeneous software architecture. Helps to manage the software complexity. Documenting software architecture. Supports the construction of software with defined properties. Communication patterns. In communication patterns, important aspects of communication patterns are en- encapsulation of communication facilities and location transparency. In encapsulation, hiding the details of the communication mechanisms from the users. Location transparency. Applications are allowed to access remote components without any knowledge of their physical locations. In these communication patterns, there are three major patterns. First one, forwarder receiver. Second, client dispatcher server. Third, publisher subscriber. Now we learn one by one. Forwarder receiver. Forward patterns. Forward patterns send messages across process boundaries. Provides a general interface that is an abstraction of a particular IPC mechanism. Includes functionality for marshalling and delivering of messages. Contains a mapping from names to physical address. Receiver pattern. It waits for incoming messages on behalf of their agent process. As soon as the message arrives, they convert the received data stream into a general message format and forward the messages to their agent process. Next one, client dispatcher server pattern. It provides transparent inter-process communication for software system in which the distribution of components is not known at compile time, that is may vary dynamically at runtime. These patterns allows peer to migrate to other location at runtime by unregistering and re-registering with the dispatcher. This pattern provides an intermediate layer between clients and servers that is called as dispatcher. The patterns provides location transparency by means of a named service. The pattern hides the details of the establishment of the communication connection between clients and servers. Last one, publisher subscribers. To achieve one-way propagation of changes, one publisher notifies any number of subscribers about changes to its state. One or more components must be notified about state changes in a particular component. The number and identities of dependent components is not known a priori or may even change over time. Explicit pooling by dependents for new information is not feasible. The publisher and its dependent should not be tightly coupled when introducing a change propagation mechanism. Publisher is dedicated component. Subscriber are the components dependent on changes in the publisher. Publisher maintains the registry of subscribers. Changed state is notified to all subscribers. Subscribers retrieve the changed data. These all the communication patterns. Thank you.